things when you pass your driving test and you know all the rules, all the good things and what you shouldn't be doing, and over time you get a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more into, well, it's okay if I do that, no one's going to be bothered. Well, it winds people up. It does. It really gets them up the back. So we're going to talk about a couple of things that you need to remember to keep doing, and it'll help everyone else. So here's the first example. You're driving down the road. It's a busy road, and you can see ahead of you there's a car waiting to get out. They've done everything right. They've got themselves up to the junction. They've got their indicator on, and they're waiting patiently. And no one's letting them out. And you're just driving along at not a fast pace, but a steady pace in busy traffic. Let them out. Why not? It's worth it, because all they're going to do is they're going to feel happy because you've made someone's day letting them out. You're going to feel happy about it. And there's also that you're getting rid of that risk where they're going to take a chance and just force their way out and maybe cause an accident. So do them a favour, let them out. It's nice. You'll feel good about it at the same time. And it's just little things like that you've got to keep saying. The next one then, petrol stations or fuel stations. I've seen it plenty of times. I'll pull up into a petrol station and the car in front of me pulls up at the pump, gets out and goes and buys some food, or goes and buys some cigarettes or whatever they're going to buy. Don't block the fuel pump. You know, there's cars behind me wanting to actually use them, and they're looking at you thinking, oh, and you can see their eyes are glowing because of it all. So be nice. There's probably spaces up there. You know, just go and use the spaces. All you got to do is walk up to the actual shop at that point. So don't block the fuel pumps unless you're getting fuel. By all means, get your fuel and get your groceries then or wherever. But don't just pull up, block a pump, and then go and get your bits you need, because all you're doing is slowing it down. And don't start saying, well, whenever I do it, there's always no one around. Well, you don't know. You might be in there 10 minutes because there's a problem, and all of a sudden you look outside and all the pumps are full and there's people waiting to use it. So don't block the fuel pumps. One of the things that I say to people, and you've got to remember this, is everyone makes mistakes. No matter if you pass your test and you're driving for the first few weeks, or you've been driving for 10, 20 years, you'll make mistakes, or 30 years. No one's like a robot. Everyone's human, and everyone makes mistakes, and that's what you've got to remember. So next time you're driving along that road, and a car suddenly pulls off in front of you without indicating, and you have to slow down a little bit, take a chill pill. And just calm down. People make mistakes, okay? Because all you're going to do is get yourself into a bit of a kerfuffle. I like that word, a kerfuffle, where you're bibbing your horn at them and they're waving back to you, giving you the V's or whatever they want to do, and everyone gets a bit aerated, and all you got to do is just drop off that gas, do a little bit of braking, let them go, and just think, okay then, that person's made a mistake, probably didn't realise I was there, and just move on. Don't even worry about the fact that they made that mistake, because next time it could be you making that mistake, and you're big glad that you pulled out, oh, I made a silly mistake, and it's that car coming out around the corner. And you'd be glad they didn't go balmy at you. They just kind of took a bit of a break and slowed down and give you that space. So remember, everyone makes mistakes. Don't worry about it. If they make a mistake in front of you, just get yourself out of that danger and move on with your life. Because why would you park on a path when the road's clear and you've got parking spaces? I can understand some of the new builds that are around Britain, and they haven't got a proper path and there's nowhere to park, but really you shouldn't be parking on the path, because what about the old person in the wheelchair, or the man or woman pushing their pram with a kid in, and they can't get through and they have to go round you onto the road? You're actually causing an obstacle. So remember this, right? Because when you were learning how to drive, I bet you instructed him to park on the path then. I bet you parked on the road. And even if you lived on the corner, you would have drove past the corner and parked where it's safe. So, and I actually see people doing it. And sometimes I say to them, what are you parking there for? There's a space up there. Oh, I live here. Like that to me. And they get all shirty about it. So remember, just take a chill pill and park just a bit further up. Don't block the path for everyone else. It's not fair. So this final one, it's an easy one. It's when you're driving along and you're going to pick your family up or your mates up and you can see them ahead of you, have a check in your mirror. That's what they're for. See what's happening behind you. And if it's busy and there's lots of cars behind you, don't just suddenly pull over and block the road so everyone's got to stop for you just to pick up your friend. Think about everyone behind you, because, all you've got to say is it parking spaces on the left or right? Can I go around the corner and park up, or go past that car and park up the road where my mate's got to walk 40, 50 feet? Don't just stop exactly where they are and block everybody behind you and they've got to suddenly stop because there's cars coming the other way. So think about other people around you, okay? And remember, it's all about being good on the road. So be good out there, help other people, and I'm sure they're going to help you. So take care and be safe.